I recently made a video about Chainlink and whether or not it could still make you a millionaire. This video got over 45,000 views, which is a lot for any crypto video these days. My audio was off by like a whole second. Aside from the audio cringe, people really enjoyed it, so I wanted to do a follow-up where I go into all of the Chainlink partnerships and why they are so important to the explosive past and future growth of this coin. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be taking something back that I said about Chainlink as I make an explosive prediction for this project. Let's get it. What if I told you could buy one token and make daily passive income from multiple dApps and crypto platforms? And what if that token only had a 20,000 max supply ever? I bet you'd buy it. I know I did. Check out powermind.club and tell them BitBoy sent you. Welcome to BitBoyCrypto. If you would like daily crypto videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to learn more about crypto or trading, then please make sure to join one or both of my Telegram chats, the Bit Squad or Bit Squad Traders. All right, guys, today we're going to be talking about Chainlink again. People love this project for very obvious reasons.
Oh, yeah.
And there's no reason to believe Chainlink is not going to continue to climb. I recently made a video about my top 10 coins that could hit the top 10 in all of crypto. If you want to check that video out, please click above. But a lot of people were mad at me, not including Chainlink on that list, and I got several comments about it. I want to be clear. Chainlink is going to be in the top 10. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you just how high I think it can go, so you're going to want to tune in for that. But here is the issue. In that video that I made, I was only listing projects that had never been in the top 10 before. Over the last year, Chainlink actually briefly busted into the top 10 before falling out quickly. So it just didn't meet the qualifications for that list that I made. I do believe big things are in store for Link. All right, Link Marines, let's break down the partnerships and why each one is important as Chainlink seeks to connect smart contracts and blockchain to the real world. Here is a list of several of the partnerships. Credits, Oracle, vSystems, dApps Inc., Google Cloud, Matic, GoChain, Reserve, Harmony, Shift, Hedera, Hashgraph, IOST, Streamer, Ocean Protocol, Synthetics, Provable, Seller, STK, Mobilium, Ether, Keiko, OneChain, Hydrogen, BZX, Morpheus Network, Web3, GameDex, OpenLaw, OpenZeppelin, Clintex, Bet Protocol. Whew, that was a lot. Now, we're not going to go through every one of the partnerships I just listed in Micro Machines Guy fashion, but we are going to examine the more prominent ones which have caused Link to go parabolic ongoing for a year now. A few of these partnerships that I believe have caused Link to surge include the following. In October of 2018, Chainlink and Web3, the foundation involved in the development of the Polkadot project, announced that they would collaborate to create an implementation of the Polkadot project, making off-chain data available on the Polkadot network. Web3 is a nonprofit organization that is dedicated to the research and development of Web 3.0 principles and architecture. The most notable, of course, is Polkadot. In August of 2018, Chainlink and OpenLaw, a consensus legal initiative, announced that Chainlink's Oracle services will be incorporated into OpenLaw's protocol. The collaboration sees the use of the Oracle to value cryptocurrencies like ETH against fiat currencies at the latest exchange rate. OpenLaw is a legal initiative launched by Consensus. It is building a universal legal protocol for blockchain, offering a toolkit that includes a first draft, relayers, a token forge, and smart contract components, among other things. In April of 2019, Chainlink and Streamer announced that the decentralized Oracle network will join Streamer's many services to facilitate the ultimate goal of establishing an open data standard. Chainlink integrated with Streamer's marketplace to strengthen the platform's data transport protocol and monetization layer. Streamer is a real-time data protocol for Web 3.0. This project is building a decentralized infrastructure, and it also has the mission to enable data sharing and monetization in IoT, or Internet of Things, smart cities, and Web 3.0. Now, you may recognize this coin from my video on Tika Tawari's top 5 coins to 1 million video, as he picked it as one of his final 5 coins. Click above if you want to check that one out. 2 more big partnerships were announced in May of 2019. Chainlink and Hedera Hashgraph collaborated with the agenda of serving Hedera's enterprise-focused public blockchain. HBAR is going to use the decentralized Oracle network, much like many of the other partners, to gain access to reliable off-chain development. Chainlink and IOST, one of my favorite projects, they partnered to bring the Oracle solutions to IOST's developers. The goal was to realize cross-chain dApps and foster a wide variety of dApps on the IOST network. The following month, in June of 2019, Link got possibly its biggest partnerships yet. Chainlink and Oracle announced that they would work together to help startups using Chainlink's oracles to monetize their APIs on the Oracle blockchain platform. This is a pretty big partnership that saw Chainlink work with yet another major tech player. Oracle is a famous software company, mainly known for the arena the Golden State Warriors play in, at least to non-nerds. But for nerds, it's known much more for their work in database management systems. Though they work with many other technologies as well, it has shown keen interest in blockchain technology, which is essentially a decentralized database. This partnership was a huge slam dunk for Chainlink, just like the ones that Steph Curry does on the ball court. Just kidding, nerds. He doesn't dunk, but you wouldn't know that because you're too busy playing Minecraft instead of watching sports. Also, in June of last year, Chainlink and Matic Network announced a partnership that would have the Oracle Decentralized Network working with Matic's plasma scaling solutions. Smart contracts on Matic will be able to access real-world data through the oracles. In addition, that month, Chainlink and Google Cloud announced that the two would work together to make it easier for developers to develop technologies by letting them access cloud data, among other things, on public blockchains using Chainlink's oracles. Then Chainlink and dApps Inc. announced a partnership that will allow Salesforce users to obtain accurate and real-time data for smart contract management. That's a huge partnership. Then Chainlink and Reserve partnered with the goal of focusing on bringing more reliable data feeds to smart contracts, specifically with the intention of helping Reserve stablecoin. Now here's some of the more recent partnerships. In October of 2019, cryptocurrency exchange leader Binance announced their partnership with Chainlink, which will help Binance to share its crypto data to other blockchain platforms. In January of this year, Chainlink and Bet Protocol announced that they will partner to provide decentralized esports and sports oracles on all of Bet Protocol's gaming platforms. In March, Link made a ton of partnerships, including Ethereum Classic Labs, the company behind Ethereum Classic, which announced its partnership with Chainlink to bring decentralized oracles and external data to the Ethereum Classic blockchain. Link also integrated with sports token Chili's for instant sports memorabilia. The partnership lets sports clubs mint limited edition tokens commemorating key events. Next was EtherISK. They announced a working decentralized flight insurance POC live on the Ethereum testnet. The design incorporates reliable flight status data, including whether a plane has been delayed or it's on time, and is delivered by Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network. Followed by a partnership with Swipe Network. Swipe's crypto payment platform is using Chainlink's oracles for secure price conversions on point-of-sale transactions. They will leverage the ETH-USD pair, price, reference contract, and custom-built SXP-USD feeds. Another new collaboration was formed with the 0x project. This is going to bring new DEX functionality to users ready for teams building at Ethereum Denver, followed by a collaboration with Off-Chain Labs, meaning Chainlink oracles now are being able to run Arbitrum, providing additional security guarantees and giving developers an entirely new level of privacy, scalability, and cost efficiency for their smart contracts. Link next partnered with QAN Platform, a blockchain focused on quantum resistance, which will use Chainlink to integrate with real-world data and systems. Potential use cases include decentralized sourcing of the QARC USD price feed and secure IoT connections. Next, the Chainlink ecosystem was joined by @StakingFact, who became a new node operator. This is going to bring enterprise-grade infrastructure and state-of-the-art monitoring for over $18 million in staked assets from 450 plus customers across 7 different networks. So the following partnerships were announced in April of 2020. To meet the off-chain data demands of its enterprise clients, the enterprise-focused blockchain Cypherium Chain is integrating with Chainlink oracles to access the trusted inputs and outputs needed to build fully integrated end-to-end secure smart contracts. Decentralized content ecosystem Contentos will use Chainlink to aggregate performance data from cross-platform content. Such data provides insights into a content creator's influence, which can facilitate cash advances, that sounds good, and tokenized investments, among other things. Next, Link partnered with Bloom. Their verifiable credential data will be accessible to DeFi applications through Chainlink oracles. This gives dApps and lending protocols access to valuable identity data such as credit history and accreditation sourced from traditional credit bureaus. Interoperability-focused blockchain Iris Network is building a Chainlink Oracle module into the Cosmos SDK. Using this module, developers can access Chainlink oracles for trusted quality data on the Iris Hub. Chainlink's decentralized Oracle's network allowed Tezos devs to use real-world data to augment their on-chain applications. In May of 2020, Link announced a partnership with Toddle. Now, Toddle Crypto is integrating with Chainlink to make its aggregated DEX data available to smart contracts. dApps can query Chainlink nodes to gain deep insights into the DEX space and use it in the execution of DeFi applications such as DEX-based initiatives. Chainlink just keeps on pushing for more and more partnerships and has had steady growth. As our previous video predicted, Chainlink can surely reach incredible heights due to its technology, partnerships, and staking. So just how high can Link go? Some are predicting a $200 Link. In my last Chainlink video, I stuck with my $87 prediction. If you didn't notice, I stuck with all of my predictions made earlier this year. That's what I like to do. But I spent the last couple of weeks thinking about that. And as I said in that video, I don't change my mind often until I get new information. And the more I've been digging into Link, the more it reminds me of Ethereum in 2016. No one imagined it would get as high as almost $1,500, even though it was already firmly implanted in the top 2 of all cryptos. I believe as Ethereum continues to show strength as the DeFi king, Chainlink will continue to rise as the link, no pun intended, between crypto and enterprise. My crazy prediction is that Chainlink will rise to the number 3 overall cryptocurrency by this time next year. As far as a revised price prediction, I just don't throw numbers out willy-nilly to appease people. I have an actual formula that I use to get my predictions, and I have to collect everything I need to determine a new price prediction. But long and short of it is, I feel my previous $87 prediction is not high enough. Once I get all of the moving parts together for my new price prediction for Link, I'll make a video about that and reveal my numbers, and I'm sure that the Link Marines will be happy about it, even if they hate my face. But now it's your turn. What do you think about Link? Do you think it's got the potential to get to the top 3, or how high do you think it can go? Let me know by dropping a comment down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.